A birthday cake is a cake eaten as part of a birthday celebration. A birthday is the anniversary of the birth of a person, when a person has made one more or another trip around the sun. The link between cakes and birthday celebrations may date back to ancient Roman times. These cakes were flat circles made from flour and nuts, leavened with yeast, and sweetened with honey. The cake is topped with one or more lit candles, which the celebrated individual attempts to blow out. The number of candles is usually equal to the age of the individual whose birthday it is. Sometimes one extra for good luck. The person whose birthday it is makes a wish, which is thought to come true, if all the candles are extinguished in a single breath. The phrase "Happy Birthday" did not appear on birthday cakes until the song "Happy Birthday to You" was popularized in the early 1900s. In Uruguay, party guests touch the person's shoulder or head following the singing of "Happy Birthday to You." It wasn't until the 19th century that children's birthdays were first widely celebrated. The Germans, who coined the term Kinderfest, were the first to celebrate children's birthdays. The Greeks thought that the smoke from blown-out candles lifted prayers and wishes to the tops of Mount Olympus. In medieval times, people celebrated the days of saints whom they were named after, a practice that later shifted to celebrating individual birth dates. In China, a newborn is considered age 1. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more fascinating facts and easy recipes.